Hey yo, this is GATO 21 slow-mo. I'm just chilling out here in the yard today, just looking at the mural I started the outline this last week, about 2 weeks ago. I did a quick outline, then it's been raining ever since, so I haven't toyed with it too much. Right now what I'm doing is taking some pictures of it, trying to figure out my color combos, stuff like that, what I'm gonna do for the background and everything. So just letting y'all know this is GATO style, this part of it. So you got that side, we got this side, the character, and if you notice there's something funny there in the middle. Some of the old schoolers will understand that. Once I start coloring it in and everything, you'll definitely have the whole picture. Alright, but here I am at the end of the year again. We're gonna, for GATO style, we're gonna be trying to get some murals done, get them started and stuff. Also learn how to do vinyl wraps on cars, so that'll be a part of the GATO style business. But slow-mo itself will still be the clothing, of course. Just trying to get the word out, pass it on. Slow-mo's the word, right? Just send it, man. Keep sending it. But yeah, as we're playing, I'm just learning some new techniques with these new paint caps and stuff. So as we will see, it's like keeping up with the technology. I'm also gonna be doing some digital artwork with this same background piece that you see in here, and I'm gonna do it as a print, and we'll offer it probably up on GATO style. Okay, once we get the actual images all colored up and stuff, I'm gonna try to do the overall design the same colors that I do on the wall will be sold on the prints. Okay, I might also just take pictures, post prints of the pictures, on a decent size, like poster size, or we'll figure that out when the time comes. But overall, it's just me messing around. We're trying to learn some new techniques and stuff and play with the new caps and trying to, just overall get everything bumping and stuff, So anybody interested, go to SLO, SLO .bigcartel.com. Buy a t-shirt. I know I only got a couple of different ones listed for the moment. Buy a t-shirt. All the money that comes in goes into bringing in the better t-shirts. You've seen pictures on my Facebook page that shows some designs we've come out with. We haven't printed them because we haven't been getting the revenue. Once the revenue starts coming in, then we can start, sourcing and doing multicolor prints and everything else. I'm doing the curbside mechanic, the jackets. They're upcycled jackets, so for those on the rat rod scene, we got those. They're gonna be like right now it's a hot rod style car on the back. Next we're gonna do like a tuner. Then we're gonna do like a lifted truck, slam truck. It's automotive. It's just like cars, trucks, bikes. That's what Curbside Monsters is, but it's under slow-mo. Okay, we're also gonna do some things together with slow-mo and GATO style. So you'll see those coming up pretty soon once we can get things rolling. All right, we'll start posting some pics of ideas, concepts, and let everybody vote. Let me know. Send me some DMs if you're interested. Send me a message. This way I know what everyone is looking at and what they like, because people tell me they like the stuff, but then no one's coming through. So, and being the artist, I can create the stuff, but I can't have it sitting around either, So it's like space is at a minimum, and trying to get all these things through and coming up. It's a new year. Everyone says new year, new me. Nah, same me, new year. Just on my grind, on my days off, my time off, I'm going to do my best to get more artwork done, get more t-shirts put out there, and get the vinyl wrapping done too, so I can post some videos of that up. All right, so yo, this is GATO. Peace. Happy New Year. It's coming up next day. So, it's like get your grind on, take that step forward. Don't let fear stop you from chasing your dreams. More than anything else, go for it. That's what I'm doing here. Hopefully y'all, for everyone out there who likes what I'm doing, buy a t-shirt, show some love, pass it on, show your friends. I'll show mine. If you have a business or something that's similar, yo, pass me a link. You know, once I figure out how to edit these videos better, I can start posting links and stuff. So that's another step for me in the technology game. But you know, for those interested, please go and buy a t-shirt. I'm going to post the hoodies up here today. I've only got about 9 or 10 hoodies left. They're black with a white print on them, just like this. Those will be $30. So if you're interested in one, please just, you know, throw a DM or buy it from the site. You know, thanks a lot. Thank you from SLO and GATO style. Yo, come in, grab some of the artwork, show some love.